Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Credit Saint. So if you don't know what this is or what they do, let's scroll down here to see what they do or how they can help. So they can help with collection, late payments, foreclosure, charge-offs, bankruptcy, judgments, repositions, liens. So Credit Saint takes action to fix unfair or inaccurate negative items harming your credit by sending challenges to your creditors and all three credit bureaus. So they've got you covered, 90-day money-back guarantee, and a lot more. So let's head on over here to Trustpilot, and actually they are rated 4.4 out of 5 stars, which is excellent for 600 plus reviews. People, I thank you, Mr. Waldo, for helping me. The customer service, Brenda, Fred, was extremely helpful. Rose is an angel sent from above, and a lot of people saying they're really good. They're very helpful, and the people, but some people are actually rating it 1 star. So I started with them last December last year after $195 a month. Since then, I canceled all day. They got to tell me an item was removed and blah 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 blah. So this person had a bad experience with them, but that's just one out of a lot more. Mr. Andrew, thankful. Jeff was very passionate. So basically, they send you people, and they can actually help with your credit. So yeah, Credit Saint is legit, and they are actually #1 for a reason. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and try it, by all means go. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.